Oh, look, it's brand new. Oh, look at the price tag. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. $1 each. Alright, here we go. Let me get my lucky cart. Today is, it should be 20% off. Oh my gosh, look. Mexican pottery for $2. What does this say? Birthday. Wish you a happy birthday. Huh. I'm still gonna get it even though it says birthday. Totally awesome. I love Mexican pottery. Look at the frog. Oh my gosh, go crazy. That's pottery, it's clay. Incense burner, maybe? Oh, I love it. That probably glows too under a black light. That goes in for $2. Kind of like the frog. Oh, this is a vase. I like it. That's on plastic. I'm gonna leave that. Okay. Oh. Alright, I see an owl. And everybody knows we're having the owl sale train this Saturday. Over on Whatnot. Avon Thrifty Rich is hosting it. It's a hat. Ooh. Peter. I feel like this is a good brand to pick up. I'm totally gonna get that. Look at the honey jar. I like it. Creative co-op. Alright, I'm gonna put this in. Down here is I thought it was a pottery bowl. Nantucket. Oh, it's cracked. Look at this bird. What's that made out of? Some sort of foam. That's just a handmade. I mean, that could be considered folk art. I don't think so, though. Oh, look at the trinket. $35. Now it's $2. Get that. Yeah, I'll get that. This is signed. Is that just an art project? Yeah, I think so. Not a bad job, though. Look at all the smalls. I love it. It's only $1. What does that say? Huh. I don't know. I'm gonna get it. I'm gonna take the tape off and make sure there's no damage. That goes down here because I don't want it to fall out of the cart. They don't have any, I gotta start bringing cushion. I could use my coat, but Capodimonte? I think that's what it's supposed to be. How much are you? I'm holding it by the $6. I know, I gotta look it over for any damage. Look at this. Made in occupied Japan. $8 each. I don't know about $8 even with the discount. Ooh, look at this. I'm pretty sure that glows. It's an antique. For $3, yes. I'm gonna check, see if it glows. This looks a little bit different. Oh, federal glass. Oh, I like it. Oh, wait a minute. I totally missed these. They're trinket boxes. Limoges, France. Ooh. For $1, yes. And let me open that. Hold on. Oh, look, it's brand new. Oh, look at the price tag. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. $1 each. I'm going crazy. Look at these, Museum of Fine Arts. Espresso? Or just a child cup and saucer? Huh, I gotta look that up. I never heard of it. Museum of Fine Arts in Boston. Those aren't bad, $1 each. Oh, the mini coasters. Oh, that's for a candelabra. Look at this antique baby carriage. I mean, it definitely looks like it would be antique. 45 isn't bad. I don't think a lot of people collect these anymore. They used to be big, but I think the value went down a lot. Yeah, 45. I was thinking for the booth. Oh, look. Okay. No, I think that's just for decoration. You know what? I wonder if this would be good for the owl sale. It is newer. I believe that is a candle holder. And it lights up. Why not? I'll do it. Because I want to make sure I have enough owls. And it's only $1. Even if it sells for like $3. I'm alright with that. It's easy to ship. I just wanted to make sure there was nothing else over here. I keep looking at this. The mini picture is Occupy Japan. Okay, what about this bowl? Ooh, it's not that heavy. See if there's any Tupperware. No, that's newer. Yeah, so I think in every video I say this, I'm going to start collecting Tupperware. You know, the 1970s colors, the orange, yellow, green. I'm starting to become obsessed with it. Noritake. Wait, what is this? False graph? Yep. Oh, look at the tulip. Oh, that's the same pattern. Napoli. I remember when the white porcelain was big, especially false graph. I think my mom had a big collection in a hutch. I don't know if she still has it. I think my grandma had a few pieces. Yeah, what about these shells? Oh, it's plastic. Oh my gosh, they're whales. Nantucket. What are these used for? Huh. I'm kind of liking these. I just noticed it across the room. Why does it look weird? Like, almost like a school project. $5 each. Is that velvet? I can't tell. Year 2000. Let me research it a little bit. Alright, I didn't find any information on it. I think I'm gonna leave her for $5 each. That would have been good for the Trippyville sale. Totally awesome. I kind of like it for myself. I do wish there were mushrooms though. Or flower power flowers. Say that fast 100 times. Oh, here's an owl. We have a few of these listed. Yeah, from Lake George. Oh, that's kind of cool. I wonder if it's from the same person. Ooh, the paint by numbers. Jesus. That's 10. I'm gonna leave that. Over here. Alright, it looks like someone kind of cleaned out the Christmas. I wonder if they had a whole bunch here. I figure I would come back and take a look. That is plastic. Looks a little bit too new. Look at the penguin. That's lucite. For $1? I think I'll do that. What about the snowman? snowman or snow lady. Okay. Nothing else. There's the booties. Oh, what is this? Christmas. Oh, it's a frame. That's kind of 1983 from Avon. All right. As we all know, Avon, some Avon. Look at the shadow box. I gotta show everybody my shadow box that I found. I hope everybody saw that on Instagram. This one is really large. It has drawers. Let's take a look. Oh, they don't open. Okay, never mind. How much is that? That's $55. Some of them can sell for a lot. The one I found is worth about $400 to $600, and I paid $25. So I decided to stop at Salvation Army. Oh my gosh, they have a plastic cart. I love it. What's chance of items breaking? Let's check out this cute ceramic. Oh my gosh, squirrels. I was gonna say if they're raccoons. Made by DB. How much is that? Oh, $6.99. It's not on sale. I'm gonna leave that. I was gonna say if there were raccoons, then I would get that for knick-knack. Fiesta? Nope. 1993. I'll guess. It's a guess mug. Clay in mind. These almost look like they would be Jonathan Adler. Well, I don't know if he did the bisque type of ceramics. I think his looks more like this with the glaze. Let me see if that's Sirocco. Oh, it's chalkware. A set for $6. I do kind of like it with the flowers. Oh, there's a name. Oh, Miller, 1967. I know it with damage. I don't think those would sell. If it had like an animal on it or something, I would say yes. It's made by Russ. I was trying to see if it was Balik. Oh, I like the Mickey Mouse for $3.99. Check this out. What is it? It's just a bowl for $5. I know I might do that. Yep, I'm gonna have to come back. Look at these. These look like they'd be made in the 1960s. They're $4.99 each. I used to have this type of style in my room. Now my room is 1970s looking. Oh, look at the coasters. I love finding these. And they're all there. Normally, they're all missing. I'm gonna get that for $2. Yes! Alright, I just want to show everybody this vase. One of our viewers mentioned, it's like, why did he pass up the Wedgwood? This is why. It's not Wedgwood, it's made to look like Wedgwood. There's another company that made this. I don't know if it was Indiana Glass or Anchor Hocking. Yeah, not too much value in it. And this is flashed on. You can see some of it missing. I just noticed these. They're Fairies. They are made by Kay's Collection. I know some people still collect fairies. Only certain ones though. I don't think these are too popular. I might look them up though. Tiffany? Oh, it's Royal Doulton Days of the Week. $2.99 each. I don't know about these. I feel like they won't sell well. Alright, so I heaven right now. Look at all of these rubber grapes. I love squeezing them. Oh my gosh, it's like the ones my grandma had. She had the big Italian ones. These are Italian grapes. How much are these? I love it. I'm gonna get a price and I'll get all of them. Not these though. Ooh, it's sticky. Alright, I'm gonna leave them. I don't have time to clean them. That's grease on there. You could soak it in Dawn. Not a lot of resale value on it for me to take the time to clean it. These look familiar to me. Williams Sonoma. Better Homes. Oh, you get the bowl with it too. Right, we're at the end. Oh, I saw this the other day. It's handmade pottery. See a little sunshine. I would get this, but it is damaged for $5. Isn't bad. I'm still tempted, but I can't. Not with damage. All right, let's go to the Christmas section. I love, love, love Christmas. I can't wait to put up our tree. We have an aluminum Christmas tree. I mentioned that before. Look at the old stand. Ooh, look how rusted. All right, stop with the grapes, Jeremy. Has a little doodly dads on there. All right, if I see anything, I'll let you know. All right, I am not seeing anything else. I'm getting the coasters and I'm getting this shirt for myself. It's American Eagle. It's probably going to be a little tight, size small, but we're going to Florida, and I think this would be a perfect color. I'm going to come back nice and tan. Oh yeah.